Hey, good morning. It is Mark Weiss. It is a rainy day here, which made me think about one of the first videos in the, actually not in this series, but in our weekly either inside or outside filmed series, which we now call the Medical Group Minute. It was filmed in, I don't know, maybe 2007? I just really don't remember. Called The Eye of the Storm. Well, we're not quite in the eye of the storm now. It passed over a little bit ago when things were a little bit calm. The sky was gray, but it was about 5 or 6 degrees warmer. It was sort of looking like a nice day. Well, the analogy is to that calm weather that many medical groups or facilities benefit from, enjoy, when everything is going well. And so when things are going well, people tend to say, well, they're always going to go well. Sort of the induction problem, the one that's illustrated by the turkeys that think that farmers love them because, geez, the farmers give them all the water they want, they give them all the food they want. Every day it's the same thing, so they project based on that. And then, what do you know, a few weeks before Thanksgiving, whack, off comes their head. The same thing. When things are calm, that doesn't mean that you don't need to strategize for the future, or if you want to call it planning. I wouldn't, but if you want to call it planning, because planning tends to be past-based, and strategizing tends to be based on an intended future that you use to then sort of reach back with its long arm and pull you there. But that calm period of time is when you have plenty of time to think about your future, to think about what you need to do to get there. So the simple takeaway for you from this is that when you think everything is going well, take advantage of the time, the fact that you're not running around with your head chopped off, to engage in serious thinking, serious strategizing about where you and your group want to be and about the steps you're going to take to get there. It's nice in the eye of the storm, but this here is what follows.